So guys, right now I'm short selling TechM in the market level around 1295 to 1294 level. So let's see how the stock will perform today. And I'm planning to keep the target up to 4 or 5 points. And as of now, the market does look a bit of a bearish, and the market is opening in a bit of a sideways today. Not much of a gap up or a gap down opening here. The market does look a bit of a range bound as of now, the opening. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform, and I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. So do watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this trade. Okay, so yes, 1295 as of now, and you can see here the sellers are a bit more in the market depth. So let's see how the stock will perform and how the market will perform today. And as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn to be a profitable trader from today. So guys, yes, it's been a while now and the stock has come down till 1291. So yes, the new low made is 1291. So let's see if I can take my exit somewhere around 1290. Okay, so 1291 and 129.75 is where the stock is trading right now. So let me just wait for some time and wait to cross 1290. So once it crosses below the 1290, I'll just plan to take my exit. So the low made as of now is 1290. So yes, the market is coming a bit towards a bearish side today. And yes, as you guys know, Nifty IT stocks were bearish since a couple of days, and even today the TechM didn't show any of the support and it still continued to come down. So 1291 is where it is trading right now. So let me just wait for some time to cross that level. So once it crosses below 1290, I'll just plan to take my exit in the market level. Okay, so let me just wait for the breakout to happen. And yes, as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators, and once you join us even in live market, I'll be guiding you all these techniques. Okay, so guys, as the new low made is 1290. So just waiting for that 1290 to give a breakout on the lower side. Okay, so our target has almost hit here, if you guys can see. So I'll just take my exit in the next few minutes and I'll update you about the trade. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a low of 1283 almost here, and I have taken my exit by almost booking 4 to 5 points of target. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of TechM. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn to be a profitable trader from today.